I had a request for a recipe for ice cream. And in this hot weather, I certainly understand people wanting a good recipe for ice cream. And this is one that was on our website that I know that my younger grandchildren, like 5 or 6 of the youngest ones, they love this because it has their favorite cookie in it, which is, like those chocolate sandwich cookies with a creamy, gooey inside. You know which one I'm talking about. So I've got 3 egg yolks. Now, if you're frightened about using raw yolks, you can always use the egg beaters. But, I feel like my eggs, I feel like they're organic because they're never exposed to anything.
Well, you raise chickens. Not everybody raises chickens.
Right.
So, most people know that are videoing, but for those that might not,
right,
you raise your own chickens.
Right. If you're concerned about eggs that are maybe not organic, you can use that. So I just wanted to show y'all that is a possibility. So I've got my 3 egg yolks that I beat, and now I'm going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. So we're not putting any sugar in this ice cream. That's because it's all in this can right here, y'all. 4 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring it calls for, y'all. And this is that homemade vanilla that Eddie and I made for Christmas gifts last Christmas. So, it's just so good. And it's time to start making your vanilla extract if you want to give it as Christmas gifts. If you want to give it as a Christmas gift and it be usable the time they get it, because it really does need to sit for about 3 months. All right, so there's our vanilla. And now I have 2 cups of fresh whipped cream, and we did not add any sugar to this. So we're just going to fold all this together. This is one of those easy ice cream recipes, but the children will love it just as much as the churned ice cream. And you know what? I have been wanting to make some homemade peach ice cream so bad. But, it is a pain to make. But it is so good. All right, now I've got 2 cups. Do I have 2 cups?
1 cup. It's supposed to be 1 cup.
Okay.
But I got a little heavy-handed.
Good. Because that's what's going to make it so good.
I'm scared you have to have a piece in every bite.
Yes. You know what? I think it could stand even more, Teresa. Well, do we have some more?
Of course we do.
All right, let's add some more. All right. Now, I wonder if I should spray this maybe just a little. Maybe, I think I am. I think I'm going to spray it just a wee little bit. There. All right, so I'm going to put, since the bottom will be our top, I will break some cookies. Were these in my...
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, because I thought I'd bought the kids some. Sometimes I can't find the gluten-free and all that. But they sure do have a lot of choices. Okay, so there we go. Oh, I may need some help holding this bowl, Teresa. This glass is so heavy. My strength in my arms and hands ain't what it used to be.
I got it.
Thank you. The old gray mare just ain't what she used to be. I don't care what she says. Okie dokie. So there we go. In about 6 hours, it will be edible. All right, y'all ready to see what we got? It takes every bit of 6 hours, y'all, to freeze this loaf of ice cream. Look at it. Remember, I put the cookie crumbs on the bottom, so when I flipped it over, it would be. I haven't had supper yet, so I'm just gonna do a little taste. And Eddie, there we go. There's your ice cream stick. See what we got here. I mean, I know it's good. I've made it before. But I haven't made it since I've had young grandchildren. So I'm going to put this back in the freezer, and they are going to love it.
So good.
Isn't that good? Have that other piece, Eddie. Because I'm going to eat supper, and then I'm going to have some of this for dessert. Delicious. Love and best dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.